Couldn't sleep worth a fuck. Bed's giving me nightmares. Idiots. God. I consistently will wake up at 3 a.m. I don't know why. One day I looked it up. Don't look it up. Don't look it up. It just takes you down a rabbit hole of like no real answers. They're like, well, it's spiritual warfare. Something else is going on. I'm like, bro. All I know is that 3 a.m. wakes me up. 3 a.m. wakes me. And then it's like, go back to sleep. Back to the darkness, dude. Shut up. So I made some coffee, drank a couple glasses of water, squeezed some orange juice. By the way, fresh squeezed orange juice, delicious. And that's that, dude. And then I got Floyd playing and we're about to hit it, designing some bullshit. Got the dull day. Fuck. I don't know what that is, but I'm sure every man has it. I don't know if they have it, but there's this part of you that you just want to do some wild, dangerous shit, and sitting in front of a fucking computer all day is just not that. Just like, fuck. Just staring at it like a fucking zombie drone. Maxate buttons. There's just nothing risky about sitting in front of a fucking laptop. It's riskier to take a video and talk about shit about how not risky this is. Like even here right now, like, are they gonna hurt my character? Maybe they don't like me. It's a fuck. Nobody gives a shit, dude. If somebody's paying attention, I'd be like, why? For what, dude? Nobody knows, dude. There is no guide. One of my favorite, who was it? I think Lionel. He recommended I read this book by Larry Crabb called The Silence of Adam. I read it, and one of my favorite things that Larry Crabb says is, he goes, no one has the answers you need specifically for you. There's no guidebook or answer book of like how you should live your life. Right? Like there's just, because all the things that people usually say, they're all moral things. They're like, try to be nice, be good to people, take care of people, take care of yourself. Don't drink, don't swear, don't cuss, don't lust, don't sin, don't da. But like nobody really has any answers for you. You really just gotta fucking dig in and figure it out. And majority of the shit I found out is like, I knew I was like, I just gotta try shit, and then what I like, I'll just keep, and what I don't like, I'll discard. Like, I think there's a misconception where people think, perhaps, even some of my buddies think that like, I love the Marine Corps. I didn't. I fucking hated it. I hated it. I was spitting mad. I was so mad. I was so pissed all the time. I was so pissed at how all the hard lessons I learned in the Marine Corps, regardless of how much I thought they were bullshit, it made me even more mad that I found out through experience that they were all true. Every single one, every lesson I ever learned in the Marine Corps, all true. All of them. All of them. Are people out for themselves? Yes. Do some people want to hurt you? Yes. Do some people not give a shit and you're not even on their radar? Also, yes. Are people vindictive, or are they so focused on themselves that you're actually not even on their radar and your perception makes you think that they are attacking you? Yes, also that. Fairness does not exist at all. Not in nature, not in anything. Nothing is fair. Not one bit. Stop looking for it. What else? Distance does not make love grow fonder. It doesn't. Trust me. Aim small, miss small. Accurate. Very accurate. Breathing. It's important. Don't forget to breathe. If you really get pissed off, just don't stop breathing. When you have to shoot, don't hold your breath. Again, breathing.